Hello and welcome to this video by Affirmations Time channel. Let's repeat some amazing affirmations to make today a wonderful day. I will always believe in me. I will always believe in me. I love and respect myself. I love and respect myself. I have the most beautiful energy. I have the most beautiful energy. I choose to focus on the positive. I choose to focus on the positive. I deserve happiness and joy. I deserve happiness and joy. I am grateful for my life. I am grateful for my life. I choose happiness, health, and joy. I choose happiness, health, and joy. I am refreshed and full of energy. I am refreshed and full of energy. I am worthy of having great relationships. I am worthy of having great relationships. I will be a magnet for ideas today. I will be a magnet for ideas today. I express myself freely. I express myself freely. I am deserving of happiness, love, health, and peace. I am deserving of happiness, love, health, and peace. I am healthy. I am healthy. I am enough. I am enough. I am worthy of love and attention. I am worthy of love and attention. I am smart. I am smart. Success will find me today. Success will find me today. Today I choose to be alive, awake, and happy. Today I choose to be alive, awake, and happy. I choose to attract positive energy today. I choose to attract positive energy today. I value myself. I value myself. I see the good in myself. I see the good in myself. I am worthy of success. I am worthy of success. I am brave enough to face my fears. I am brave enough to face my fears. I love the person I am becoming. I love the person I am becoming. Repeat these amazing affirmations every day and enjoy the positive changes they bring to your life. If you have been with me until now, like this video and give me a heart in the comments. Subscribe Affirmations Time to receive the most powerful and effective affirmations every day. It's time to believe in yourself.